Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'm going to be installing this unit that I created with 3 bundles and a 5x5 closure, I think it is. Yeah, it's not a 6x6, it's a 5x5 closure. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I get this install and color, then continue to watch and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Hit the notification bell and then follow me on my socials. They'll be right here on my screen and in my description bar below. Now let's go. Alright guys, so as you can see, the color did not come out like I was hoping for, but I'm not really sure how it's appearing on camera, but the unit is actually pretty tinted in red. I can see it in person. It definitely looks tinted, especially in this bright light, but on camera it doesn't come off that way. So you get a red tint, but not like super duper red. I feel like if I would have lightened this hair to like a bit of a lightish brown, it didn't even have to be like super bright, just lift it a little bit and make it brown and then put that L'Oreal HICOLOR dye on it, and my hair would have been like for real red. So the next time I use those products, I'll definitely bleach my hair a little bit and lift the color before I put on the red dye, just to make sure that it can be like super duper red. But I still like how the unit came out. I made this unit in a total of 4 hours. I did do it by hand and I was watching TV and stuff, so that was pretty quick for me, because usually in the past it would take me like all day plus another day to make a unit, and I made this one pretty quick in one night. It was like from 8 to 12 and I finished it. So if you guys want to see me create a unit, I do have other videos here on my channel that I do that with, and I can put it in my description bar below for you. I also have another video up with Aatifa hair. I'll put it up here in the link card area so you guys can check that out, and it'll be in my description bar. They have some really good quality hair. Like, I absolutely adore their hair. It is really good hair. Curled perfectly, no shedding, get bleached perfectly when I bleach the knots. The lace blends into the skin really well. It's just really soft texture hair. It's really nice. So if you guys are interested in it, make sure you check out my description bar. I'll have links there for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in my comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.